To revise the concept of one more and one less, we are going to be doing an activity. Okay, so for this activity we need just two things. Okay, we need the sheet. So I request the parents to please make a similar worksheet for your child in their numeracy notebook, and we need some number cards. Okay, so here I have number cards from 0 to 12. Okay, all the number cards are there here. So now, how are we going to do this activity? Okay, first can we read what's there? What is it, this activity asking us to do? It says, record a number in the middle column and draw dots and write the correct number to show one less and one more. So you can see there are three columns over here. The middle column is my number. The one on the left is one less, and the one on the right is one more. So we have three columns, my number, one less and one more. So what we have to do is, we have to first record a number in the middle column. So how are we going to choose that number? We are going to choose it with the help of our number cards. So we're going to pick any random number from this number card, okay, and write down here in the my number column. Okay, so now let me pick up a number card. So here's the number card. I'm just going to pick up, so I've turned it upside down and I'm going to choose any number from the number card. Okay, so okay, I choose one card. So can we see what's the number? Okay, the number I have got is 12. So my number is going to be 12. So can I write the number here? Yes, in the my number column I write the number 12. Just copy the number. 1 and 2 makes 12. That's my number. Okay, I keep this aside. Now, do you know what number is 1 less than 12? 1 less than 12. So for this, you are going to do back counting. Yeah, whenever you have to find less, what do? You count backwards. You're going to jump backwards on the number line. So starting from 12, jump back. What comes behind 12? The number is 11. So 1 less than 12 will be 11. So I'm going to write the number 11 here. Yes, and it is also asking me to draw a number of dots. So I am going to draw 11 dots inside this balloon. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, you can also color the dots. Yeah, I'm going to color this with blue so that it looks a little colorful. Okay, so these are my 11 dots. That says 1 less than 12. I got the number as 11. Now, how much will be 1 more than 12? Again on the number line. Now, to find more, I am going to jump forward. Yes, I'm going to jump forward. So, more than 12. So, what comes ahead of 12? What's the next number after 12? Just one jump. After 12 comes 12, 13. Yes, so 1 more than 12 is going to be 13. So 1 and 3 makes 13. So also again here, I'm going to make 13 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Yes, so my number was 12. 1 less than 12 is 11. 1 more than 12 is 13. Now let's take another number. Yeah, any random number. So I'm just going to take, okay, I got it. So I got the number as 8. So my number is 8. So I write the number 8 here in the column my number. Yes, so the number is 8. Okay, now I keep this number aside. I've got my number. Now I have to find, first we find 1 less. So how much is 1 less than 8? Now whenever we find less, remember we are going to jump backward on the number line. Okay, so now you stand at 8 on the number line and jump backwards. Okay, so what is the number that's behind 8? 8, 7. Yes, it's just one jump behind. 1 less than 8 is 7. Okay, and then I'm going to make 7 dots here inside this balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then how much is 1 more than 8? 1 more than 8. Now to find more than, I'm going to jump forward on the number line. Yes, starting from 8, I jump forward. That is, what is the number after 8? The next number is 9. So 1 more than 8 is number 9. And I'm going to draw 9 dots over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so now let's take one more number. Okay, I take randomly just another number. Thank you. I've got my number as 2. Yes, so I'm going to write this number 2 in my number column. Okay, and then keep it aside. And now I get to finding my 1 less and 1 more. So 2 is my number and I have to find first 1 less. Again, to find 1 less, I'm going to jump backward on the number line. I'm going to count backwards. So what comes behind 2? What is the number that is behind 2? 2, 1. Yes, that's the number that is behind. Just one jump. So 1 less than 2 is 1. And I just draw 1 dot here. You can draw one big one. Yes. Now let's find 1 more than 2. To find more, I'm going to jump forward on the number line. Yes, I'm going to count forward. So what is the number that comes after 2? 2, 3. I'm going to jump forward. So the 1 more than 2 is 3. Yes, and I make 3 dots here inside the balloon. Yes, so 1 less than 2 is 1. 1 more than 2 is 3. Yes, so children, similarly I want you to complete this worksheet, the next 2 as well. So these are not going to be your numbers. Your numbers are going to be any random numbers that you get from your number card, that you choose from your number card. Yes, and then you will have to calculate 1 less and 1 more. So children, this is a nice activity. Hope you enjoy it. Happy learning.